Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 2 Unit 5.1 Notes, Day 2. Today we're talking about linear combination of functions. Our learning target today is to be able to perform operations involving linear combinations of functions. So we have to perform the indicated operation for the following functions. Once again, they're giving us an f of x, we have a g of x, and then we also have a h of x. Now, looking at our first one, I have a 6 in front of the g of x. Well, what the heck does that mean? Well, if there's a number out front, it means to multiply. So I have the 6 out front, and I want to multiply it with whatever g of x is. And g of x is x squared plus 5x. So what I have to do is take that 6x and distribute it, multiply it to everything inside. 6 times x squared is 6x squared, and 6 times 5x is 30x. And I am done. All right, number 2 is the same. I've got a -7 out front, and then I'm saying to multiply that by f of x. So the -7 comes out front, and then I write 8x squared plus 4x minus 12. That's my f of x, and then I'm going to distribute it. -7 times 8x squared is -56x squared. -7 times 4, -28x. -7 times -12. A negative times a negative is a positive 84. Okay, and that's all we do. Don't be scared if they give us a fraction out front. 1/2 of f of x. I would do the same thing. I'm going to take the 1/2 out front and I'm going to multiply it by the 8x squared plus 4x minus 12, whatever they tell me. And then I distribute. 1/2 of 8, 4x squared. 1/2 of 4, 2x. And then 1/2 of 12 is -6. Okay. That's not too bad, is it? Good. I hope not. Because now what they're going to tell us to do is we are going to perform the indicated operation for the following functions. So we've got 3 different functions. I've got k of x, m of x, and n of x. So 3 different things. So we have to pay attention to what it wants. So this is saying I have to take 1/5 of k of x. So I would put the 1/5 out front, and then I have k of x, which is 5x squared minus 5x plus 10, and then I'm going to add that. Okay, so I have to make sure I'm adding, and I have to add m of x. So then I need to write m of x, which is 6x squared plus 4x minus 8. And that's everything we had for m of x. Okay, well, the first one I have to distribute 1/5. So 1/5 times 5 is 1. So I have x squared. 1/5 times -5, negative x. 1/5 times 10 is 10. And in the back, I'm distributing a positive 1. So we get a positive 6x squared when it's a positive 1, Everything stays the same. And now I need to combine my like terms. So my x squared with my x squared plus 6x squared is 7x squared. Negative x plus 4. So negative 1 plus 4 is a positive 3x. And then I have a 10 minus 8. 10 minus 8 is, what? Oh, sorry, that's not 10. Mr. Grice, 1/5 times 10. I don't know what I said there. I must have been zoning out. That's 2. Sorry about that. 2 minus 8 is 6. Okay. So number 5. I have the negative 3 out front. Negative 3 times n of x plus m of x. So the first thing I do is just copy it down. I have negative 3 times 4/3 x plus 20. Okay, that's my n of x plus, don't forget what symbol you have in between, and then m of x, which is the 6x squared plus 4x minus 8. Now the first thing I need to worry about is distributing this negative 3. Now if you need a calculator to do this, go for it, but you should be able to do some of this in your head, because negative 3 times 4 divided by 3, negative 3 times 4 is negative 12, negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So we have negative 4x. Negative 3 times 20 is negative 60. And remember, we distribute a positive 1. I'm just doing that super quick because when I distribute a positive 1, everything stays the same. Okay? I only have 1x squared, and that's 6x squared. Negative 4x plus 4x, those cancel. And then I have negative 60 minus 8 to get negative 68. Okay, so it's just a combination from the top and from yesterday. All right, so I have k of x, and now I have a negative 2 times mx. So my k of x, that's what goes out front. I have 5x squared minus 5x plus 10, negative 2 out front, and then my m of x, 6x squared plus 4x minus 8. Okay, so there's my m of x, there's my k of x. In front of the k of x is a positive 1. When I distribute a positive 1, everything stays the same. Okay, but now in the back, I have to distribute a negative 2. So negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x squared. Negative 2 times 4 is a negative 8x. Negative 2 times negative 8 is a positive 16. So we just have to watch our signs there. Okay? I'm finding my like terms. 5 minus 12 is a negative 7x squared. Negative 5 minus 8, negative 13x. Positive 10 plus 16 is a positive 26. And there we go. All right, number 7. I have a 3, and I'm timesing that by nx, but then I'm going to multiply whatever that is by nx. Oh man, I got a lot of multiplication here. Okay, so the 3 goes out front, and I'm going to multiply that with nx, which is 4/3 x plus 20. And then I'm going to multiply that with another n of x, which is the 4/3 x plus 20. Now, what I would do is I would distribute this 3 first, okay? So 3 times 4/3, oh, we just did that, but it's 4. So we have 4x, I'm going to keep this in parentheses. 3 times 20 is 60. And then I still have 4/3 x plus 20. Now you can do box method here, or you can just distribute. We have 4/3 times 4. And remember, we want the fraction, so it's 16/3. So we have 16/3 x squared. And then I have 4 times 20, which is an 80x. Now I have 60 times 4/3, so 60 times 4/3, and we get 80. So that's plus 80x. And then I have 60 times 20, and we get 1,200. Okay, we have to combine our like terms right here. But we get 16/3 x squared plus 160x plus 1,200. Don't be all scared because I got big numbers. You can handle big numbers. Okay, it's not that bad. All right, number 8. I'll help you set it up, but then I want to see you solve it. So out front, I have 12 times n of x negative 4 times k of x. So setting this up, the 12 goes out front, and that's 12 times 4/3 x plus 20. And then we have the negative 4 times k of x, which is the 5x squared minus 5x plus 10. Okay, so there's my k of x, there's my n of x. Let's see if you guys can distribute and then combine like terms. Go ahead and pause the video, and good luck. Okay, and you should have gotten negative 20x squared plus 36x plus 200. All right, number 9. Now, in front of the first part is a negative. So you would need to distribute a negative 1 into k of x. I'm not going to show you that because I want to see if you can do this on your own. Okay, I'm not even going to write it down for you. All right, so number 9, you guys are all on your own. Go ahead and pause the video, and good luck. Okay, so your final answer should have been negative 5x squared minus 3x minus 130. Okay, you can see all my work. Now, if you have any questions or you need extra help, please come see Miss Carranza or myself. We would love to help you out. Your homework is Algebra 2, 5.1, Practice B. Okay? Now you can see they're asking you the same sort of stuff, and in each one of those, they're giving you a different function. Okay, so you got to pay very close attention. Okay? All right, guys, well, that's it for Algebra 2, Unit 5.1 Notes, Day 2. This is Mr. Grice, signing off. Thanks for watching.